Welcome to CapCut video editing tutorial. Click on the import icon. Select the video from your computer. Wait a few seconds till the media is uploaded. Now grab the video with your cursor and drag and drop it onto the timeline. In the middle, you can see a player, where you can preview the uploaded video. Once a video is added to the CapCut library, you can add the clipped part from the whole video. For this, grab the corner of the video, and just like this slide until you get the desired part. Click on the plus icon. The video is added on the timeline and the duration is about 5 seconds. Upload another video on the CapCut. Add the second video to the timeline. To trim the video, place the playhead, the straight vertical line, from where you want to start trimming. Then click on this split icon on this toolbar or press Ctrl+B on your keyboard. Repeat the same process and split the video from where you want to cut the video. Now, this part is separated. Hit the backspace to delete it. As you can see, the video duration is now shorter. You can play the video to check it once. To cut from the end, you just need to hold the end and move it left or right. To crop the video, click on the crop icon on the toolbar. Here, you will find some predefined aspect ratios that will be fit for various social media platforms and video formats. For example, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikTok, IGTV, Facebook videos, etc. The free crop option allows you to crop the video as per your requirement. Hold these dots with a cursor and move it accordingly. You can also rotate the video clockwise and anti-clockwise. There is a button to redo all the changes you have made and to confirm the changes. With the rotate option, you can rotate the video at 90 degrees in a clockwise manner. With this, you can add a mirror effect on the video. Use the freeze option to freeze a particular frame of the video. You can also increase the time duration of that frame by stretching it in the video timeline. There are buttons to undo and redo the changes that you're doing to this video, and the option to split the video. We have shown earlier how to trim a part of a video using the split option. On the right, there are options like auto snapping, main track magnet, etc. That will help assist you in the timeline. You can backspace or this delete icon to delete the selected video from the timeline. At last, there is an option called reverse. It will place your video into reverse motion. The process of reversing the video will take a few seconds to complete. Now it's done. You can preview the video in the player. As you can see, the video is now playing in reverse motion. The next feature is canvas, which will be visible on the right. Using this, you can add blurred canvas, colored canvas, or some styled ones. Let's choose the blur option. Choose the strength of blurriness. Then click on the original size here. There are many predefined aspect ratios here. And as you click any one of them, you will see the blurred background based on the selected size. You can play the video to see how it will look. There are many ratios to choose from like this for shorts. The extra background will be blurred out. Play this to see how it will look. Not just blur, you can also add any solid color as a background. Select color from the drop down. You will see many color options to choose from. Or to make the video more artistic, you can add a styled background like any one of these. To add transition, you must have 2 separate videos in the timeline. Let me zoom in to show more closely. Place the playhead on top of the video. Select Transitions options from the top left panel. There are many transition effects here. Click on the plus icon of any one. You can see the transition is added between the videos. Let's play the video to see how it looks. As you can see, there was a blurred transition. You can change the duration using this slider on the right. After increasing duration, let's see what the transition looks like. Let's see how to add video overlays. This is the video that will play in the background. And this video will be on top of it. Let's add it to the timeline, and that's the important part. You need to add the second video in a new layer, so that it plays on top of the first video. The layer on the top will appear first in the video. The below layer will be underneath. Now that both videos are added, we'll decrease the size of the video that will play on top. We're using the scale slider on the right to change the size. Once you get your desired size, choose the placement of your video using the cursor. I'm gonna place it at the top right corner. Now, let's play the video. As you can see, the overlay video and background video is playing simultaneously. You can use it to record reaction video or gaming video just like that. There is a full screen preview option to see how it will look at 100% scale. Next, let's see how to remove the green screen and add some other background. Just like before, you need to create 2 layers. The one will be in the background, for which I'll be using an image of the TV studio. And the second video will be a news presenter standing before the green screen. Adjust the length of both videos so it won't mismatch. Select the video with green screen. On the right, go to the cutout panel and enable the chroma key option. Select the color picker and choose the green screen video color. Use the strength slider to remove the green screen. Keep the strength between 30 and 40 to get the best results. Otherwise, it will depend on the color of the background. Let's play the video to see how it cooked. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.